Gerald Vance here with the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop, and I'd like to show you a nice chunk of walnut I have here. This is approximately 14 inches across, 24 inches high, 4 inches thick. And if you notice, this is called the knee of the tree. This is the lower section of the tree that flares out right before it goes into the ground. And then from here down would be considered part of the root. This is a piece of walnut I harvested from a large tree back about 20 years ago. I had it milled, and this has been storing in my woodshed. Been air drying, it has not been kiln dried. I've used a lot of this. It has some very, very nice grain, very interesting grain. This particular piece I am donating to the 2018 Holiday Woodworking Challenge put on by King Woodworking Community. So if you have entered that contest, there's a chance that you will win this walnut. So what I ask in return is that you take a little bit of time and look at my YouTube channel, the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop, my webpage, Appalachian Heritage Woodshop, and my Facebook page, Appalachian Heritage Woodshop. Check it out. Look at the TV series I am hosting, and if you like it, hit like, and I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe. So good luck to all of you that have entered the contest, and whoever the winner is, I'll be sending this to you. Remember, be proud of your Appalachian heritage.